Man, guys, it's Mr. Camaro back with another one. Crazy how my window won't roll down. That one rolls down slowly. This one is not rolling down at all. What the Yeah, I guess we gonna go over here to the car. If anybody ain't been following, basically my third gen Camaro 92 25th anniversary. The lock is jammed on the driver's side, so I gotta figure out how to get the door open, which I'm probably gonna just take the front seat out. I'm gonna take the driver's side seat out, and then we're gonna go from there and see if I can get the whole door panel or whatever off today. But yeah, that's what we're gonna be off to. I really need to clean and sweep on that side too, but I forgot the broom and stuff at home, so I'll probably do that in another video. But yeah, that's what we about to go do, and probably need a jump also. Probably need a little bit of gas in there also, so we're gonna do all that today. And all right, y'all, I'm back. We at the basically shit, I gotta jump it, so I'm gonna be right back after we jump it. Basically I gotta do some stuff that y'all probably don't want to see anyway, so I'm gonna be right back after we get this jumped. All right, y'all, got it back started. As you can see, the locks, all that stuff is still took apart, so I'm gonna get to it today. But yeah, check engine light always come on. I don't know why. I need some more gas. I should have got some gas. Oh. Everything's still running. I might just go ahead and try to pull it up in this parking spot right here. Just to move it. Like I told y'all, got a bad transmission. So I'm gonna see if I can pull up here and show y'all. y'all see what it took to do that. So I'm basically about to get to it. I'm gonna get back with y'all when I get to taking the seat off. I gotta get some tools out of here. And I'm gonna get right back after I park the other car. All right, y'all, I'm back. So basically what I gotta do is, in order to take this whole door panel off, or attempt to do it, I'm gonna have to at least, yeah, cause this is like, this is shut back here. So that's crazy. I'm gonna have to, yeah, that's crazy. But basically I'm gonna have to take this handle off. So in order to take this handle off, I gotta take the driver's side seat off, which pretty sure that's possible. Okay, you gotta take these screws out, take these plastic pieces off right here. If I had cigarettes, everything back, I don't even smoke cigarettes. All this stuff, junk back, I need to sweep all this out of here. But yeah, I guess I'll take those out, and then under those is probably like the bolt that bolts down to the the floor. It's on the front and the back. So okay, man, I'm out of breath. So okay, that's what I do from there. And when I get to that part, I'm gonna turn the camera back on. All right, y'all, just like I knew it was gonna be, I took a Phillips head and got these two black pieces out. And then right there you can see where it's bolted into the floor. See that? So hopefully it's not rusted where I can unbolt it. So that's what I'm gonna do. If it's rusted, then I'm gonna have to go get some WD-40, but I don't know, they don't look rusted for real. But okay, I'll get, yeah guys, it's looking like it was exactly what I excuse me, it's looking like it's exactly what I thought. It's rusted. The bolts are rusted to there, so I would have to basically get, I would have to get like some WD-40 or something spread on there. I don't even want to try the front ones because the back ones ain't even coming off. But yeah, so I'm basically gonna have to go to the store and get some WD-40 because it was not unlocking. So I guess I'll get back with y'all when I come back from the parts store. Man, guys, it's Mr. Camaro back with another one. Crazy how my window won't roll down. That one rolls down slowly. This one is not rolling down at all. What the oh. Hey yo, it's Mr. Camaro back with another one. Man, as y'all can see, I don't know why I came out to fix my other car, but my car that I normally drive, my SS. Well, first off, the lock, I gotta go inside here and attach the lock because it don't open the door. So I gotta attach this handle, which it's been like that. Honestly, it's been like that for a while where I couldn't do it because I had took the door panel off. So it was like, well, I can't open this. I gotta fix that in the inside, but that ain't the only issue. Now my window don't roll down. So I used to roll the window down, reach out from the other side and then open the handle. But now my window don't roll down either. So you see the sun about to go down over there. So I gotta hurry up. And but I don't know, it seemed like the electric is on, because why is the radio still on? So it gotta be something, it's something electrical. I don't know. But I gotta, okay. So basically, I gotta open it from this side and take the door panel off all the way so I can be able to unlock the door from the inside. So I don't know, but I'm definitely about to see what's up here. Okay, get my tools out. I gotta do this fast, guys. You know, I just got my little simple little tool set. Get this out real quick and go from there. Use a flathead to go from there to right here, right under here. It's a little spot under here. I always forget it's up there. I always forget it's not in the corner. It's up here. It's not in this corner. I always take this corner. See, it's all chipped up for me doing it, but it's really supposed to go up there with it. Okay. Wait a minute. Oh, well, it don't even have to screw in that one, so I can put that back in there. It don't even got the screw in there. Where's the other one at? Oh, it's the one that's in here. Right in here. Screw right there. Phillips head. Main screw. Alright, so I got all these little screws that's on the side. See those little screws right there? Got all these on the side here. It's going all the way around the door panel. Got it all the way off. Okay. And what it is, this latch right here, you see how that's for the door handle. I was hooked, I think what it is, I broke the little piece. So it gotta stay right here like that. Like right in there like that. And that's where I messed up at. And it came out. So hopefully it can stay stuck like that so I can open the door. But that's all it was, just that little bitty piece. Let's see how this works. Yes. Okay. There it is. There it is. Okay. Start off with this big screw. Put it back in there. But it was that simple, so I'm gonna see if this works for me being able to open the door. We gonna see real quick. I hope it didn't like come out of there or nothing. What'd I do with the screwdriver though? Oh, okay. Gotta put this one in there first, this big one, so I can hold the door up. Ah, I see it's a little piece still right here coming out. All right. Let's see if this works. Okay. There we go. I fixed it. Now you guys, you remember it was not working now. Now it does. Oh, man. Oh. Yeah. It's that. Fixed it. That easy. Now I needed to do that because the damn window don't roll down. Oh, now the window rolls down. Ain't that about something? Oh. What? Now it's working after I just did that. I wonder if it was a wire issue. Now, y'all did not see me connect nothing. Now it works. That is so crazy. But at least I can open my door from the inside now. At first I couldn't open my door from the inside. That is crazy, guys. This car is on something else, but I'm glad I fixed that. It's always an issue with these cars. Don't never get it twisted. Never think that is an ending to these cars. Look, I had to do it real quick before the sun went down. The sun's about to go down. I had to do it, but don't never think not one bit that is the end. It's always something. Well, I got it fixed, and keep watching for more content. How I just hooked back up the door handle because I was locked on the inside. how I couldn't roll down my window, but it just magically rolls down now. Till next time, I am Mr. CAMARO.